Personalized jewelry is one of the highest selling categories on Etsy, but it's usually hard to manage at scale. So if you're tired of manual data entry for every single listing, this video is for you. I'm going to show you my exact workflow using MyDesigns to both create and publish several engraved bracelets to Etsy while using Printify to fulfill. So no more one-by-one listing creation. We're going to do it the smarter way. So let's get started. All right, so the product that we're looking to sell is this natural stone stretch bar bracelet. It's an engraved product, which is great because you can just add a text element that can be personalized by the customer on Etsy. So with that being said, you can see this is here. It's going to be, if you're on Printify Premium, about $14.05 plus $4.49 for shipping. So I think you can sell these for about $30, $35, especially having the personalized element. So let's move over to MyDesigns. I'm on the MyDesigns dashboard. If you are new to MyDesigns, it is so easy to get set up. You can register for an account and then come down to settings and go to partners and connect Printify. Make sure you also have your Etsy shop connected to Printify. Then you can link it here to your MyDesigns shop. From there, you got to go to stores and also connect Etsy. It's very fast and easy. And once that's done, go to the listings page. Up at home, I clicked this and I created this personalized bracelets folder. You can just add a folder, name it whatever you want, and then click into it and then click open. So I'm under this folder, and this is so easy. So just go to publish. Under Etsy, you'll select print on demand, POD. And now we want to look for that bracelet. Let's just type in bracelet. So this is the product catalog. And there it is, the natural stone stretch bar bracelet from Printify Fulfill Engine. You'll just click this. And this is amazing, and probably a lot of you aren't familiar with this about MyDesigns, but I didn't need designs ahead of time. I can go into the product directly. Now I'm going to go to Canvas, add a text element. Let's make that a lot bigger. And I have a few quotes that I came up with ahead of time, so I'm going to pull those up. So first one is still I rise. And keep in mind, the customer is going to actually be able to personalize this themselves, but you want to have something on it to kind of show what the product would look like. So there you go, you have your first listing. But look at this, I can just go click this little plus button down here to add a new listing. And I copied that text layer, I'm going to paste it, and we're going to keep going. And just make sure everything looks good. Let's do it again, paste this in, make sure it's centered, and then so this is a little longer, so what I will do is just make this a bit shorter, make sure it fits. For this particular listing, looks good. Now to the next. I'm just showing you how fast you can just create multiple listings to gain more territory on Etsy. Showing better examples for each one. Daddy, EST, let's go 2026. So this would be for new dads, and you could do the same thing for moms. Let's go a little lower. There we go. Copy that again. Oops, I didn't mean to paste it there. Add a new listing. And I'm just going to change this one to mommy. And by the way, this is just the generic font. We have 4,000 plus fonts in here. You can also upload your own custom fonts and make that whatever you want. So keep that in mind. And these are engraved products, so the color doesn't matter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more. Let's paste this in and do I am enough. All right. Make that bigger so we can take up as much space as possible. And make sure it fits within the blue dotted lines, obviously. Now look at that. We got 5 different listings. I'm going to save this. And now I'm going to select both colors here. And I'm going to select all of the finish types. There's some amazing finish types. And you're going to love this because we have some incredible mockups. So let me go ahead and click Add Mockup here. And what I'm going to do, these look great. I'm going to turn on multi mockup, as you can see. Add this one, this one, this one. The white backgrounds are nice, but I think I'm going to go with this more lifestyle shot because it's still closely zoomed in, and I love that. Let's just grab all the color options here, or the different finish options, and I think that's all of them. So hit Add Mockups. Now what you can do is go through and select all the colors if you want to show both colors for each of these bracelets. And now our mockups are populating, and Etsy also allows up to 20 mockups per listing. And look how nice that looks. I think these are beautiful. Just kind of toggle through these real quick. Yeah, these are fantastic mockups. I do like how these turned out. Now you can drag and drop whichever one of these you want. I'm probably going to go with the color that really pops. Let's go with this gold one. I'm going to also make sure the other color's there by it. So there you go. I think that's probably going to be my primary mockup. And now because we already created all those listings, you got this little toggle button up here. If I click that, it'll go through and you can kind of preview each of these different designs. So it's generating the mockups, rendering those, and once it's done, you can look at them. So there's the other one, Be There Now, and again, you can see that across all of these. Looks awesome. Let's click through One Day at a Time. Click through Daddy. Yeah, these are awesome. But anyway, this step is essentially done. And you see how easy that is. You did not even need designs because these are going to be personalized text elements, which do so good on Etsy. So let's go to populate data. Now for the listing data, your titles, descriptions, and tags, that could be time consuming. So what we're going to do is use Vision AI. And on the product type, we're going to change this. I'm going to actually name this, let's see. I think I'll name it custom engraved bracelet. I think that'll be best because you want the customer to realize it's custom and it's engraved and it's a bracelet or a stretch bar. I believe that's another way of calling this. But under this platform, it's gonna be Etsy. The model is gonna be the MD 2.5 model, which I recommend. We're gonna generate titles, descriptions, and tags. And already on the product features, it's going to include the product details in your description. So this is amazing. So now we can just hit generate data. Yes, run Vision AI. And it'll scan our design. It understands the product we're selling it on and understands the platform we're selling it on, in this case, Etsy. And it'll write optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for each of those listings. So that shouldn't take long, then we can move to the next step. All right, and that's already done. And look at this. Daddy established 2026, custom engraved bracelet. There's our keyword. Future dad bracelet, new dad gift. These are excellent keywords here. And you got your description with the details about the product here, which is amazing. Tells you the coding details, etc. Then got all our tags, and these look so good. And now if I rotate through these, you can see that it just understands this affirmation bracelet, One Day at a Time. It does such a good job. So you see how easy that is. Now, I'm not going to rotate through all of these, but you get the idea. It's great. So let's go to the next step, which is pricing. Again, if you're on Printify Premium, you're going to be around, what was it, $18 per cost. I'm going to just price these at $34.99. Apply to all, so approximately $13 in profit. So there you go. And when you do apply the pricing right here, it applies it to all of the selected listings, all of these. So you're good to go. So let's go to the next step. And this is just a preview step, kind of see where it's compatible to publish. In this case, we're just doing Etsy, and you see the check mark there. So let's go to publish. We got our demo shop here. So Etsy, the demo shop. If you had multiple shops, you can choose them here. But product status, I'm actually gonna make that active. And I'm gonna type in bracelet, jewelry bracelet, yes. Probably not blank, so let's go here. And now under who made it, you would technically change this to another company or person, but you need to add fulfill engine on Printify or on Etsy, and then it will pull it in automatically. But for now, just do I did and a finished product, and you can adjust that in bulk on Etsy later. So use custom shipping profiles, we do not need to do, but personalization, you want to check this. And you probably don't want to require it, because what if someone likes the quote they saw? Then they can just go with that. So what I'm going to do is enter some instructions here for the buyer. All right, so I'm going to go with this, so it'll work for all these. Add the name or text that you'd like to see on this bracelet below. If you do not want to customize it, leave this field blank. And again, you don't want to require this. So at this point, we are done. You got all of these beautiful bracelets, all personalizable, so we can just click publish, and it's set to active, so it'll be live on our shop in just a few minutes. You can check the status up here under jobs. And when an order does come in that's personalized, it'll just appear in your MyDesigns orders page. You'll go into it, it'll show the personalization details from your customer. You can click edit, it opens up Canvas, and you can just edit that text layer, approve it, it generates new mockups if you need to show your customer approve. Otherwise, you approve it when you're done, and it goes over to Printify on the exact SKU and product and gets printed and shipped. And when the tracking number comes back to MyDesigns and over to the Etsy order, marked as complete, and that's the full process, and that's how easy it is. All right, and that's already complete. That was fast. So let's move over to Etsy here, go to listings. I need to refresh the page real quick. And there you have it. Because we didn't send them to draft, they're just already here, active, and these look good. So you can click into it. You got all your mockups here, as you can see. I forgot to toggle on video mockup, which I highly recommend you do. It's on the variants page where you selected the mockups. There's a little toggle to do video, which would automatically create a video for you, which is great for Etsy. But there you go. There's your personalization instructions, and everything's good to go. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, there are a lot of different engraving products in the MyDesigns catalog now. Just let me know by leaving a comment below. and I will add it to my list and get that out for you. Cheers.